One of the most important things to remember with paintless dent removal is to constantly check your angles. Now, whether you use a line reflector board like me, or a fog board or lights, it's so important to keep jumping up, checking the different positions and angles of the dent repair whilst you're repairing it, and 100% make sure you do that at the end as well. We can get so focused on taking a dent out and focused on that line reflection or whatever reflection you use, that we can look at it and think that we've got that dent 100% out. But by just jumping up and checking it from top to bottom, left to right, really having a good look around at the different sides, we should be able to check that it's completely out. Sometimes it can be a bit deceiving, look like it's fully out from one angle, looking this way, and then as soon as you jump up and check it from the other angle, you may see you've still got a slight high spot or a low or just a little bit of distortion in there. So remember to check and double check your angles when doing paintless dent removal.